2017 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. I like these. I want to give me a convertible. They're pretty. Anyways, it's got 4 stock converters, 2 on each side, right there, right there. Oil filter. I don't know why I said that, but okay. 3-inch pipe all the way back. Got 2 flex pipes right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there, all smushed. See, like they have no space for anything because of the convertible part. Then it's got the valves on it that open up in sport mode or special buttons and stuff. Then what we did on it, he wanted it not too loud, so we put some FLOWFX on it there and there. Part number 71416. See it? Right there and right there. There'll be a link in the description. And then we put some massive 5-inch tips on it, rolled, because it fills that gap really nice, as you guys can see. You don't want to go with 4 or 3-inch. You always want to go 5-inch on these. It looks so much nicer. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's the new word of the month, share. And it's Chevy Camaro SS. This is the muffler we cut off of it right here. This massive thing. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better.
That is it, man. That's the sound I'm looking for.
That's perfect. FLOWFX. Oh, it sounds so nice. Give it gas. It peaked at 106. That's perfect.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, it sounds so nice. It looks even better.
I'm gonna make sure, man, that I'm gonna give you a video when you take out.
Yeah.
Burn rub out of here.
Heck yeah. Show us what this thing has got to, what it can do. That's perfect. Those FLOWFXs sound so good on these. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. FLOWFX. Oh, that's beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Convertible Chevy Camaro SS. All right. He's gonna go beast mode. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. FLOWFX sounds so nice.